Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about how you can increase your child's motor skills. So I drew my hand and I'm pasting few straws on them. So this activity I did with my 4-year-old, and I will give him a wool and he's going to pass the wool through these straws. As soon as he saw this activity, he was extremely excited as he likes different tasks. So I make all the different activities for him. It's because of him that I started YouTube, because he didn't like simple ways. He always wanted different techniques and different activities. It looks really simple, but it was not as simple as it looks. He had to make sure that the straws are passing through properly, because if he pulls the wool aggressively, the straws comes out from the cardboard. So yeah, if you like my videos and if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel, and I hope that I can entertain you with different activities at home, as I try my best to teach them with home-based activities. So like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.